Hi there, let me show you how to change watch faces on your Apple Watch SE 2nd generation. Let's get started. Let's press and hold the screen first, so we'd be able to see the button to edit it, so let's do it. Now we can change the style just by scrolling through the styles with the help of the digital crown. And then we can swipe left to change the color of the background and the widgets. And also we can change the complications, each of the 4 Just tap it and you can switch conditions to temperature, for example, and you can do just the same for the music, for example. We can switch to the phone and then just tap it again to confirm the changes. And that's it, now it's saved. And now let's add new watch faces. For this, just swipe left to see the new tab. And here you can see many options from which you can choose. If you liked some of the options, just tap the add button to add it. And now you can also change the color, the style, even the dial and complications if they are available in this watch face. And when you're done, just press the digital crown to confirm the changes. You can do the same thing using your phone. For this, let's open the watch application and then go in the Face Gallery tab right here on the bottom of the screen. And we can also see many of the options. You can even add your own photo as a watch face if you find just the tab which is named Photos. So let me find it. And here it is. So the portraits, and by tapping Choose Photos, you'll be able to add some. And when you're done, you would need to tap this Add button. And as before, you can change the colors and you can change the style of the complications. And that's it! Now you know how to change your watch face on your Apple Watch SE. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.